Hey guys, what's up? It's Weather Kid Josh with another video, and we are back as it just snowed. Hey, that's pretty cool. Look at this. There's chipmunk tracks. We have, I think, a chipmunk living under here, so that's pretty interesting. Now we know where it can live. So let's see. I'll go over here. Oh, it goes all the way into the woodpile. We're not gonna go over that far, as you know, it just snowed. But wow. Still snowing a little bit. Here, let me turn around the camera. It's really beautiful snow. But, you know, alright, so I'm going to pull out my measuring stick. I'm going to put my glove on. Go right here. Oh. It's cold out here. I think it's 32 right now. Alright, good now. Alright, dropped it again. So we'll see how much it snowed. Alright, here we go. Snowed about, oh, I did it wrong. Alright, we're gonna turn it around. Snowed about quarter of an inch. Let me take my glove off again. I'm just gonna leave it off at this point, because I'm wasting time. Alright. Yeah, it snowed about an inch, I would say. Here, let me turn around the camera. Yeah, just about an inch there. So, yeah, it's a beautiful snow. I would say that. I'm just gonna get some shots so you guys can enjoy the snow. So, yeah. You know what? Like I said earlier, I'm gonna stay up here, but who cares? I'm going down in the yard. It's so beautiful out here. Oh, I'm gonna leave. Let's measure it down here now. Oh wow, it snowed. Let's see, that's about 3 inches of snow right there. It says for me. So I'm gonna go with this one, because can't really trust that other one. It might have melted away, but you know. So I'm gonna measure how much is on the fence over here. So let me go out and do that. Ugh. I don't know if it's good sledding weather, as you can see. You can see some stuff, but it might be good sledding weather, so. Alright, let's measure it right here. Wrong way. Again. Alright. Yeah, 1 inch on this one. Make some more snow down here. Alright. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video. So you can see those pylons are covered up. Snow. Kind of the same thing. Pylons go to the same thing. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.